Albert Einstein. Everyone talks about how talented Albert Einstein was, but we hardly know about his sacrifice, struggle, and failure. Though he was one of the most brilliant minds to walk on this planet, even he struggled to get a job and faced many rejections in his life. His struggle began in his school itself. Einstein did not like the traditional teaching methods. He believed that education is not just learning the facts, one must be taught how to think. As a result of his radical thinking, neither did he like his teachers nor did they like him. This continued even in his college, in fact getting worse. He often argued with his teachers. Hermann Minkowski, his mathematics professor, called Einstein a lazy dog in front of his class. Einstein graduated from his college with average grades and he failed to secure a job after that. His teachers did not recommend him for even the job of lab assistant, let alone research position. The worst was yet to come. Einstein lost his father. After a few days, he lost his daughter with Mileva. Devastated with loss, he had nowhere to go. He had no source of income to support his family. Reluctantly, he accepted the job position of a third-class patent clerk at Bern. Though he never thought of ending up here, Einstein never gave up science. Einstein would complete all his work and then start doing his research in physics independently. Then came 1905, the year that changed course of science. Einstein published a paper on photoelectric effect. This paper was also beginning of quantum physics. He thought the science community would welcome it with open arms, but it received poor response. He didn't give up. He wrote another paper in which he mathematically predicted the existence of molecules. Again, no response from the community. No scientist seemed to be interested in the work of patent clerk. This silence shook Einstein. He started doubting if he was even made for physics or not. Einstein then wrote his third paper, which introduced the special theory of relativity. This paper landed on the desk of the great Max Planck, the father of quantum physics. Planck recognized the brilliance of this paper. His assistant said he had never seen anything like this since Isaac Newton. From here on, there was no turning back for Einstein. Later that year, Einstein wrote his fourth paper showing E is equals to mc square. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize for his work on photoelectric effect. The first paper he wrote in 1905. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind, said by Albert Einstein. The takeaway lessons. Firstly, if you are passionate about something, do it even if the odds are against you. Secondly, never ever give up. Had Einstein given up after his second paper, he would not have developed theory of relativity. Keep trying till you reach your goal. Also keep in mind, challenges are meant to be faced them and not to run away.